Team Medcap consists of Daniel Jones, Project Manager, Callum Hindle, Lead Designer, Sergey Nesta, Lead Programmer, Daniel Wood, Lead Programmer, Emily Robinson, Lead Interface Artist, and Kate Doreen, Client Liaison. The RA Rota Museum is located at the Royal Hobart Hospital. The Medcap Pathology project involved bringing the museum database online. The museum consists of pathology specimens, historical objects, a parasite collection and medical equipment, and is used as a teaching resource by the UTAS School of Medicine.
For me, what's important for students is flexibility in their learning, and to be locked into a practical time can be real problematic for some students. Some students work and therefore that gets in the way. So really what I want to try to do is open up our teaching as much as I possibly can, and by having a website and something which is really interactive will improve possibilities for students to actually engage with the material and actually learn in their own time and at their own pace.
Mm-hmm.
I think it'll be quite dramatic. The students no longer will have to physically come into the pathology museum. They'd actually be able to stay at home and do some preparation of the material there. But also when they're here, by interacting with the specimens, they'll have easy access to the information of the specimens, and I think that will really increase interactivity and also learning about those specimens.
Mm-hmm. When students log in, they're presented with a home page with a range of search options. They can search by keyword and view the list of records. Clicking on Show Record displays the clinical notes, including original information and updated information. Specimen Images displays thumbnails, which the user can then enlarge. The user can add a record as a favourite, and they can also add notes. Clicking on Favourites in the left-hand menu presents the user with the list of their favourites, and Manage Notes displays any notes they've saved. They can then export these to a text file. The Topology search allows the user to search for records based on regions of the body. They can then narrow these down by morphology and select a specific specimen. The Interactive Specimens section displays 360-degree rotatable images. By scanning a QR code, which will typically be located in front of the specimen in the museum, users can be taken to a mobile optimised website which displays the specimen records.
Certainly there's websites around the world that are doing this, but not to this extent as far as I'm aware. What we're trying to do is really create a virtual museum. So by having images which are 360 rotatable, you remove the physical need to be within the laboratory and actually putting it out onto the web, and I think that's unique. I haven't seen that anywhere else on the web at this point in time. Mm-hmm. So I think we're doing something relatively unique.
Overall, the Medcap Pathology project will provide students with an enhanced learning experience and is expected to be ready for rollout for the 2014 academic year.